What I'm going to be doing now is putting a crowder plate on the back. I used to have one, but you know, they get damaged. So I'm putting a new one on. It's just so that I can pick up more light material. And when you go on a Bobcat, unless you've got a Pacific one that's very been designed with a better arm system, in other words, the real big ones, when they lift up, they tend to keep going over and the rubbish falls on you. So constantly as you lift the Bobcat bucket up, you've got to keep tilting it forward. You've got to do the part of the motion for it. And so you get a lot of rubbish coming over the top. So if I'm putting this on here, you get hold more rubbish. But the downside is, it still keeps going over because you keep putting more and more on. Rather funny. Anyway, I don't like this type of welding mask. When you flashes, it goes dark, which is good, but I find it hard to get used to. Okay, so you can see what I've done. I cut a slit in either side, going down at an angle, cut off the right length. Made this an extra 5 mil longer, so when I cut the bottom, I cut it 5 mil, or actually about 10 mil longer. So when it went down on the angle, obviously it's longer there than it is that way. That's if I can see what I'm saying, showing you. So it's 10 mils longer. When it drops down, it ends up being on there. I've done that there, and I've done it on there too, just so that no rubbish goes in the end. Theoretically, it fits here nice and neat. Oh, magic. Put that in there, make sure it's the same, just in case it's a thin. It's actually 5 mil wider, so 245, put that again, yeah. 245, it'll make it, we've got on that, yeah. You'll likely about there. Another bottom. what I'm doing here, I'm going to heat up this area here so I can straighten that up. Tooth, got to put a tooth back in and it's got to go in like that. So open it up please, Jamie. Higher, right open. Right open. Okay. Alright, what I'm going to do now is just for your benefit. I'll put an extra tooth on. This will keep it square. Like that. Well, we've repaired all the teeth. I don't know if you can see it now. I'll wait till you get in here. Yeah, you can't see anything. Right. So we've repaired the teeth here. I put an extra tooth on there. Same stone on the other side. Now I'm going to put a plate in there and it's done. Oh, plus painting. Alright, I'm going to put, I didn't have a big sheet and it's very expensive, so I just cut two halves. That's why I put a brace in the middle. Okay? welded all these in, 2 panels. They're good to go. It's all done. All we got to do now is put a bit of paint over it and she's good as new. I'll do another run and another coat, yeah, when it's a bit drier, but that's what it looks like. No point painting the back, it's really oily, and even though I high pressure cleaned it, and also inside the bucket, it's only going to get worn anyway, so it'll just be kind of a waste of paint. And that's it.